You are interested about CHD Certified HVAC Designer certification offered by ASHRAE. Now, before getting into the decision whether you really need it or not, you must know the advantages of having CHD certification. That's the way the goals are fixed and you know what you are achieving at the end of the journey. Now, if you ask me about the advantages of CHD certification, I'm going to focus in four different domains. First of all, it elevates your career, obviously. It strengthens your professional reputation. Having CHD certification gives you enormous reputation, at least locally, and obviously it's a global attraction. I'll come to that point. Then expand your career opportunities. Let's say an employer having numerous CVs for a certain role, and if someone having the CHD certification for that particular opportunity, obviously the employer is going to choose the person who's having CHD certification. It's a clear out choice there. Stand out in the competitive market, obviously. CHD certification stands you out in the competitive professional market there. Whether you are a consultant or you are having a job or if you are having a business, having CHD certification obviously stands you out from the crowd. Secondly, prove your competency. Now, if you do not have this certification, you have to prove your competency over and over again. And as soon as you have this certification, people knows that you have spent quite a time in HVAC design and you are a master of it, and it creates less doubt on your capability. Demonstrate critical HVAC design knowledge. Obviously, you are going to get through all these HVAC handbooks, standards, and that is going to demonstrate critical HVAC design knowledge in you. Then validate practical design skill. If you have CHD certification, that means you have spent quite a time in practical HVAC design field, and it obviously validates your practical design skills and build professional credibility. Nextly, gain global recognition. If you have this certification, your name would be there in the ASHRAE's database. If someone goes and wants to check out whether you are CHD certified or not, he can get your name over there. That gives you a global recognition. And let's say if you are having your base in some home country, and then you are, let's say you are in UAE and you are planning to have a job in USA, and you want to talk through and have some communication, it gives you a easier choice of communication, and it gives you the um, digital recognition that needs to have that communication. As you pass this exam, ASHA gives you a digital badge that you can display in your visiting card or in your Facebook profile or LinkedIn profile, whether you or whatever you like. It associates your expertise with global recognized organizations. That's a good thing. And showcase your certification professionally. Finally, industry validated certificate. ASHRAE is not just offered by the CHD is not just offered by ASHRAE. This is certification is also validated by accredited body like ANAB accredited personal certification, and it is under actually ISO IEC 17024. So the CAD certification have the fairness and the validity. That means it is a recognized and accredited certification. So these are the advantages of having CAD certification to you. Obviously, if you are a SBSc professional or mechanical engineer, it is going to give you the career boost that you need, and the global recognition. It says that you have the competency that is needed, and obviously, it's a globally accredited certification. So let's enroll for the CHD exam preparation course. There is a good reason for having CHD certification. It helped many people all over the world, and I had the opportunity to work with many people to gain their professional goals, and they actually got a lot of help of having CHD certification.